everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm sharing my recipe for classic peanut butter squares. Sometimes known as peanut butter fingers, this dessert blends the chewiness of a peanut butter cookie base with a layer of peanut butter and rich chocolate frosting on top, bringing back memories of your childhood and school lunch treats. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any delicious recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need for the peanut butter bars. 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2.5 cups of creamy peanut butter, 2 cups of oats, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For the frosting, you'll need 1/2 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 3 cups of powdered sugar. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the oats, flour, baking soda, and salt, then set aside. In a separate mixing bowl or bowl of a stand mixer, cream together the softened butter, 1 cup of peanut butter, the sugar and brown sugar. Mix in the eggs one at a time and then add the vanilla. Add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture and beat to combine. Spray a jelly roll pan with non-stick cooking spray and press the dough evenly, covering the bottom of the pan. If the dough is too sticky, spray both sides of a spatula with non-stick spray to help spread the dough. Bake the cookie at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the cookie from the oven and drop the remaining peanut butter by teaspoons over the cookie layer. When the peanut butter begins to melt, carefully spread over the cookie. If it doesn't melt quite enough, stick it back in the oven for 1 to 2 minutes. When the peanut butter has set up, mix together the frosting ingredients until smooth. Use an offset spatula to spread the chocolate over the peanut butter layer. When the chocolate has set up, cut into bars and serve. I hope you enjoy these delicious peanut butter and chocolate bars as much as we do. The full recipe will be in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com, where you can find even more recipes. Please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.